Hi, my name is Isaiah Coates. For this capstone project, I work with two different data sets, body measurements and loan applications. My goal was to build two different models for each data set, test them, and compare how they performed. Let's go ahead and start with body measurement. The body measurement data set has 252 observations with variables like age, weight, abdomen, wrist, and body fat percentage. For this data set, I built two models, a linear regression and a decision tree. In the regression model, I used predictors like abdomen, weight, and wrist. The results showed that the abdomen circumference was the shorter predictor of body fat. This makes sense biologically since abdominal fat is closely related to overall body fat. In the decision tree, the first splits were also on abdomen and weight. The tree gave clear thresholds where body fat levels change. When I compared them, the regression model gave better accuracy, but the tree was easier to interpret. My takeaway here was that the regression is always stronger for prediction, while trees are better for explanation. All right, let's move on to loan applications. This one has 272 observations, and the target variable is whether the loan was approved or not. For this data set, I built a linear regression and decision tree. In the logistic regression, credit history came out as the most important factor. Applicants with good credit history were much more likely to be approved. In the decision tree, the first split was also on credit history, followed by applicant income, mismatch intuition. Banks looked at how credit worthiness first, then income. When I compared them, logistic regression had slightly higher accuracy, but the decision tree gave a clear set of rules. My takeaway was that both models confirm the importance of credit history with income as a secondary factor. So what I learned across both data sets, I learned how different models highlight different aspects of the data. Regression models gave stronger predictions, while decision trees provided clearer rules. This project also reminded me of the importance of cleaning data, checking assumptions, and thinking critically about which model to use. More than just running code, it was thinking about statistical models to real-world decisions, whether in health or in finance. That's my walkthrough of the capstone project. Thank you for listening.